Hi, I'm Craig at Ape Renewables, and today I'm going to go through an explanation as to exactly what we carry out and what you receive during and post our heat loss surveys. Now, a heat loss survey is extremely important when it comes to an air source heat pump installation. We have to ensure that we're sizing your heat pump correctly, your cylinder correctly, and that the central heating circuit is designed correctly as well. We have to ensure, as per MCS regulation, that any living areas can comfortably reach 21 degrees C, bathrooms 22 degrees C, and bedrooms 18 degrees C. Now I'll go through a guide as to exactly how we do this and go through the full report that you'll receive after your heat loss survey has been completed. On page 1, we have basic information such as your name, address, date of survey, and the name of the surveyor that's completed it for you. On the next page, we have whether your property is listed or in a conservation area, and information on your current emitter types and proposed emitter types, i.e. radiators or underfloor heating. We also have property information such as its age, whether you have an EPC certificate, the number of occupants, and also the number of rooms. Now onto your wall information, such as whether they're made from brick or stone, whether there's any sign of asbestos, and whether there's a cavity, and if so, if that cavity is filled, alongside with images of proof of this. We have information on your existing heating system, such as its fuel, whether it's pressurised, whether it's zoned, and images of your existing boiler. Next up, we have the materials of the downstairs doors, the downstairs floor, and the upstairs floor, and also images of all external walls of the property. Now we have how many bathrooms, baths, and showers are within the property, and if any of the showers are electric, with images, as well as the stop tap location, flow rate, and water pressure. Now we're on to the proposed location of your hot water cylinder, whether that's the loft or the garage, the measurements, and whether it'll fit. We also have images of the proposed pump location, including the clearances around the pump, and also information on the existing condition of the internal pipework. Next, we have information on the internal electrics at the property, such as the fuse board and the meter box. Next, we have images and videos of the existing radiators and the pipe runs from the pump to the cylinder. And finally, we have images and information on the existing windows and a full floor plan with the measurements of each and every room, window, door and radiator within the property. This is a service that we provide. We don't own your heat loss survey. You'll be provided with the full survey. Once the survey's been carried out, it's then sent back to me within head office, where we put your full system design together, which we'll move on to in the next video. This is important in ensuring that we size your heat pump correctly, your hot water cylinder correctly, and the whole system designed correctly to ensure that your property can stay warm even during the cold winter months. If you'd like Ape Renewables to carry out a full and thorough heat loss survey at your property, please contact us on the number on screen now, or alternatively, you can arrange a consultation with myself using the calendar link below. If you enjoyed this video, please like, share and subscribe to our YouTube channel, and we'll see you soon.